In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account step by step. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand that deleting your Microsoft Teams account is not just a matter of uninstalling the app or removing it from your device. Instead, it involves deleting your entire Microsoft account. This means you'll lose access to all services connected to your account, including Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, Skype, and more. So make sure you're ready for that commitment before proceeding. To begin, you'll need to visit the Close Your Account page on Microsoft's website. This is where the process of deleting your account starts. Once you've navigated to the page, you'll sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct account that you wish to delete, so double check your login details before moving forward. After signing in, Microsoft will prompt you to confirm your identity. You can do this by using a code sent to your registered email or phone number. This step is designed to protect you from unauthorized account deletion, so it might take a moment, but it's crucial for security reasons. Once your identity is verified, you'll be presented with a checklist. This is an essential part of the process, as it informs you of the things you'll be losing after your account is closed, such as emails, files, and access to various Microsoft services. Take your time to review this carefully and make sure to back up anything you might want to keep before proceeding. Next, you'll need to decide on a waiting period for your account deletion. Microsoft offers two options, 30 days or 60 days. This waiting period gives you a chance to reactivate your account if you change your mind. Consider this a grace period to ensure you really want your account deleted, and choose whichever duration suits your needs. After selecting the waiting period, the final step is to click on the Mark Account for Closure button. This action officially starts the account closure process. It might feel a bit nerve-wracking, but it's the definitive step that paves the way for deletion. Once this is done, your account, including Microsoft Teams, will be marked for closure. It'll be permanently deleted after your chosen waiting period. During this time, you can still log in and reactivate your account if you decide you want to reverse the decision. Once the waiting period is over, the account will be deleted permanently, and recovery won't be possible. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to delete your Microsoft Teams account. Remember to back up your data and think it through before you proceed with deleting your account. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.